Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound during calls on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is when you're in a call, then you guys can check your volume using the side buttons right here. So you guys can change the call volume like that while you're in an active call, or just go over to settings. And here in the settings, you want to go to the sounds and vibration. Now, let's go to the volume section and click show more. Here, you guys will be also able to change the calls volume, so you guys can max it out. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over to the Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth, instead of being on, is off, because you may have rerouted our audio somewhere else. So for an example, you can reroute your audio to any other headphones, speakers, even your car if you had your phone connected here. So when the Bluetooth is off, what you guys can do next is clean the earpiece. So the earpiece is right up here, but it's very hard to actually reach. So this will be a difficult task, but if you have a soft brush with small brushes, then it'll definitely work. Now after that, what you guys can do is test another call. So try testing with another call. You guys can call up somebody right here, just enter their number, and after that, what you guys can do is restart the phone if the issue still persists. So hold the power button and now click on restart and tap again to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for the software updates, because they can fix the no sound during calls. So go over to the settings and swipe all the way down until you see system and updates. Now click on software update and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the software, and if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that'd be it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.